Happy Independence Anniversary, my dear fellow Nigerians. Now, there's a lot of mixed feelings. There are people that feel there is no reason to celebrate. And on the other side of the divide, we also have those that feel we should celebrate. At least we still have a place to call home. Now, I'm not going to be a judge on that matter. So, irrespective of how you feel, I believe you have a right to feel the way you feel. Now, there's something I would like you to consider. You see, most times, if not all of the time, the outcome of your life is 90% your choices, your decisions, and how you react to the things that happen to you. So, irrespective of where you are, whether you're a Nigerian located in Nigeria or you are a Nigerian outside the shores of Nigeria, the choices you make, the decisions you take, the actions you take, the opportunities you take advantage of will ultimately determine what your life will look like at the end of the day. And technology has really made this easy. For instance, you're a career person, you're based in Nigeria, your job might not be giving you exactly what you want. But with technology, you can acquire tech skills, sometimes for even free. Then you go to other platforms and you get international jobs or remote gigs. Then you start earning foreign currency while you are still here in Nigeria. Or you're a business person, you're an entrepreneur. If you understand how the digital space works and you leverage on it, you can take your business to the next level. Let's say you sell things, then you're able to get yourself an e-commerce platform and you integrate your social media channels and all the rest, then you're now selling to the international community. What that means is that while the average Nigerian will pay a particular amount, let's say for a vintage shirt, the person outside the shores of Africa can pay you 10 times that amount. With technology, it becomes very easy for you to access those people because they can get to see what you have to offer through your social media channels if you know how to properly structure them. If you have an e-commerce platform, they can even buy through your e-commerce platform and pay you in USD. Yes, their platform you can use to make that happen. So, beginning today, the 1st of October 2025, I'll be teaching you for free how you can use technology to take your business or your career to the next level. And perhaps you're already on social media, you're on LinkedIn, and you're getting some results. I want to let you know that it can be better. Or everything sounds strange to you, but you've always wondered, how can I go into tech? How can I start this remote jobs I've been hearing about? How can I key into it? And you've seen people with platforms that they are here in Nigeria, maybe they sell food stuff and all the rest, but they're selling to people in the US, the UK, and Canada, and you're wondering, when will my turn come? If wishes were horses, beggars would definitely ride. But listen, I'm a Google certified digital marketing and e-commerce professional with over a decade experience in sales and marketing. I've been privileged to work with both local and international brands. But listen, I'll be teaching you for free how you can use technology to move your career or your business to the next level. All you have to do is go look for my YouTube channel at Tech Skill Campus 360. Follow. I'll be giving you daily and weekly videos and insight tutorials, not just on tech, but how to properly structure your business. It might interest you to know that I also have an MBA from the Quantic School of Business and Technology based in the USA. So go look for that channel at Tech Skill Campus 360 on YouTube. Follow us. I guarantee you it will be worth it.